evening through Thursday morning. Gusts to 65 to 70 miles an hour. Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 565, effective until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Adams, Columbia, Dane, Green Lake, Greene, Iowa, Juneau, Lafayette, Marquette, Richland, Sauk, Vernon, and Waushara, and the following counties in Illinois: Henry and Stevenson. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.